Joining us now, Dr. Ashish Jha, the Dean of Brown University School of Public Health. Dr. Jha, good morning. It was sort of nice this morning to wake up and hear the word positive news when it came to the coronavirus. Pfizer says they have a vaccine that may be 90% effective. Break it down for us. What does that mean? Does that mean a vaccine could be happening soon? And if soon, when?
Yes, good morning, Hoda. Thank you for having me on. This is good news, and this is, I have to say, I'm pleasantly surprised. We were all hoping to hear about a vaccine sometime this month or early next, and I was expecting a vaccine might be 70% effective if we were lucky. So this is better than I was expecting. It's still early in terms of production. It's going to take some time to get the vaccine out to the American people, but this is clearly a positive step forward.
Okay, and no timeline idea on that, Dr. Jha?
So in my best guess on timeline, I think we're going to start seeing some people getting vaccinated later this year. So, basically December. I expect doctors, nurses, first responders probably in early January, February. Most people in the community, probably out March through June would be my best guess. But we just need to wait for more data from Pfizer about how many doses they have before we make guesses.
Dr. Jha, President-elect Biden made an announcement today that he has a COVID task force that he's starting up. One of the things I think they're discussing is a mandatory mask mandate. What are the top couple of things you think he should implement right away?
Yeah, so, despite that good news on Pfizer, we are entering probably the two hardest months of the pandemic. I expect a lot of people getting sick and dying. We've got to start really acting. The two things that we think can make the biggest difference in the short run, if everybody wore a mask, so I believe in a national mask mandate. I think it's more than necessary. And then second is having widespread testing available. That can make a profound difference on bringing the virus under control. So that's where I would encourage the president's team to focus.
All right, Dr. Ashish Jha. Dr. Jha, thank you so much. We appreciate it.